Hey guys, welcome back to Skills Software. Today I'm going to show you how you can create custom QR code designs. So if you haven't already, sign up to Canva. And to begin with, I'm going to open a canvas. So I'm going to head over to custom size, create new custom size. And my size would be 1080 by 1080. It's also the same as Instagram post or square in general. So create design. All right. First things first, I want you to head over to apps. And as you can see, there's a lot of QR generator depending on what you like. So my favorite is Gen QR and dynamic codes. So we're going to use dynamic codes because dynamic code has different QR designs that you can choose from. So I'm going to choose this one. Now you can put in your link right here. So we're going to copy Skillsofted YouTube channel link, paste it right here. And for our logo, and what's cool about dynamic QR is that you can upload your own custom logo. So for example, we will use Skillsofted logo. However, depending on your logo size, you can see it's quite small. So we want to edit them and resize them, make sure they are enlarged, right? So I'm going to change this, choose file, and I'm going to open this. There you go. Look at that. Skillsofted logo is on the QR. Perfect. Okay, so you can change your pattern color and always make sure not to put your colors too bright. Make sure you want to have a strong contrast between the background and the QR itself. So I'm going to choose my colors real quick. All right. And can change our eye color. That seems about right. And we can also change our frame color. I want to make this slightly brighter. All right, there you go. Look at that. I'm going to keep the background color as it is, white color. Therefore, you can scan. And here you can enable dynamic if you would like to monitor your analytics. You can see how many people have scanned your QR. So now I'm going to hit add to design. There you go. I'm going to resize them real quick. Look at that. How wonderful that is.
So you want to make sure that you always try and scan your QR before downloading it, uploading it, or printing it. So as you can see, I have my QR scanner here. So I'm going to scan it. And it works. Open in browser. And there you go, Skillsofted YouTube channel.
And that's how you can create your very own custom QR code. I hope this tutorial is helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one.